We have one we're very proud of. We call it, my dad calls it the stall song. Why? As in stalling for time. Because it was sung always, as to say, noch. It was Yom Kippur by Nacht, noch Nila, at Nila. So Nila, you got the Arona Kodesh open. You've been fasting for over 24 hours. When it says 20, it's 26 show. You know, there's no 24 hours. It's longer. It's a couple hours longer. And it's in the Stoliner Stiebel in Detroit. My dad's there. He's a young boy. He's 10 years old, 8 years old. He's being a starker. You know, I went on fast, even though you don't have to fast till you're 13. And the Rebbe says, the gates of heaven are still open and the stars are not quite there, the 3 stars. Before we close Arona Kodesh and we blows in them shofar, let's sing a niggin. My father's like saying, oh man, a tune, I don't want to sing. Let's blow the shofar because I bloody hell want to eat. I got this apple sitting right here. You know how much self-control it takes from me not to take a big piece of chunk out of that apple? So it was a stall song. And which is interesting, because when I went to the Rebbe, the Stoliner Rebbe in New York, and I sang, he said, what tunes do you remember from your childhood? And I sang, he says, oh, that's an old one. We don't sing that much. So it was coming from my Bubba. So, you know, because certain, you know, people forget. You know, you think that, you know, the Hasidim are humans like anybody. You remember some, you forget some. If you don't sing it, you forget it. And so forth. That was the stall song that my father taught me, taught my daughter, and have heard it, other Stoliners, other people singing it.